Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sell audiobooks on Amazon. The first thing you will need to do is upload your ebook onto Amazon KDP. So you're going to need to go onto kdp.amazon.com. From there, you can sign in using your Amazon account, and if you don't have an Amazon account, you can create one for completely free. After you have created your account and you have signed in, you will be redirected to a page just like this. And for example, you could tap on create right here. After you have tapped on create, from here, all you'll need to do now, you could select Kindle ebook, or you can select a paperback or an hardcover book if you want. So you can select any one of these options. For example, if you were to select Kindle ebook, you'll be led to this page, and from here you could choose the language of your ebook. Then from there you can choose the book title. You could type in the book title right there. If it is a series, you can add the series detail, and then you'll add your name right there. And you can also scroll down better yet, and then you'll scroll down and you can fill in a description about your book. And then you'll scroll down, and from there you can select your primary audience and fill out this information. After you're finished doing that and you have uploaded your book, all you'll need to do now is go onto this website by the name of acx.com. acx.com is the platform that you go on to create or to upload audiobooks to Amazon. So all you'll need to do is go onto acx.com, and from there you're going to sign in using your Amazon account. Keep in mind that when it comes on to acx.com, or better yet the Amazon audiobooks section, it is only available for persons in certain countries. So for instance, I think it is only available for persons in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Ireland. So if you are located in one of those countries, you can sign up, and once you are signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on the dashboard like this, you are going to tap on claim your title. So you are going to tap on claim your title right here. After you have done that, you are going to scroll down, and you could type in the name of your book right here. Once it has been loaded up on Amazon, you could type in the name of your book. After you have typed in the name of your book, you could scroll down until you find your book. So let's say, for example's sake, I were to find a random book. Let me scroll down real quick. Beside the book, you will see the option, "This is my book." All you'll need to do is simply tap on it. After you have tapped on it, you'll be able to claim the book. So you have a few options. For example, you could select, "I'm looking for someone to narrate and produce my audiobook." And from there, you could tap on continue, and you can see, "Find a producer to narrate and record your audiobook project," and also create a title profile to advertise your project, and then post it to receive auditions. If you don't want that and you already have audio files for your book and you want to sell it, as you can see right here, you could tap on continue right there to upload your audio files. As you can see, I have an audiobook that you have previously created. If it meets their audio specifications and only if you qualify, then you can upload the audio cover art and metadata. So all you'll need to do is tap on continue. And by the way, the audio requirements, if I should tap on it right here, you can see the audio requirements. So let's look at that real quick. So you can see their audio requirements right here. You have of all mono or all stereo files, include opening and closing credits, include a retail sample that is between 1 and 5 minutes long, and be recorded by a human. So all you have to do is have these informations involved in your audio file, and then from there you'll more than likely qualify, and all you'll need to do is tap on continue. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. You can see right here, if I were to tap on continue, what territory rights do you own? So you can see right there, how would you like to distribute your audiobook? So you can see exclusive, that is 40%, non-exclusive 25%, and this basically means your audiobook will be sold through Amazon, Audible, and in iTunes. If you were to select exclusive, which would if you were to select exclusive, you would get 40% royalty, and your audiobook would be sold through Amazon retail partners, Audible, and iTunes. If you were to select the 25% royalty option, which is non-exclusive, your audiobook will be sold through their current retail partners, Amazon, Audible, iTunes, and you can also sell it elsewhere if you choose. So if you plan on selling the audiobook on your own website, I would more recommend that you select non-exclusive right here. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you can select the language that your audiobook is written in, and you can tap on continue. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.